All right, welcome back, everyone. This is episode 17 of the Easy Talk podcast, and today we're going to be talking about warranties in general.
Two different warranties: factory warranty and extended warranty, which is also called service contract.
Right. So I mean, obviously there are different. Factory warranty, you mean
From the
factory.
manufacturer.
So that's on newer cars.
New cars. Even used, they still have warranty left.
Oh, newer.
Yeah. Yes. So under factory warranties, they offer two different warranties, which is a basic, which is, in other words, it's a bumper to bumper. You know, anything that goes wrong on the car, even a window switch or door lock, everything. The radio, they'll replace it. You know, they're gonna be covered under the warranty, which they're usually, depending on the manufacturer, they're usually until 3 years or 30,000 miles. Other manufacturers, such as Hyundai or Kia, it's 5
really
years
good.
or 50,000 miles on the bumper to bumper, which is great. And then after that one runs out, you have the powertrain warranty, which pretty much what it means is a powertrain warranty covers all the parts that will keep the car moving, and power, which is engine, transmission, and pretty much the drivetrain. Those warranties, are good longer for a few more years and a few more miles. For example, Hyundai is good for 10 years or 100,000 miles,
man.
which is a lot.
10 years is crazy.
Yeah. So, and then you have the extended warranty, which is, recommended for when these cars, they run out of the factory warranty. This is a warranty that you can purchase, for as little as 3 months up to 6-10 years. They're going to cost you money, but it's a good way to give you peace of mind,
Right.
So.
And you have warranties, like whenever we sell a car, we can also sell you a warranty with the car through a third-party company. There are warranties that will contact you directly. Like whenever you buy a car and the warranty runs out, you start getting mails, advertisements. So there are companies that will contact you to sell your warranty.
Right.
You can get warranties probably through your insurance company
Or your bank.
Your bank, yeah. So there are different options that you have if you're a person that you don't like to be
Right.
out of warranty.
So the main reason why I wanted to talk about this topic is obviously the biggest concern about buying a used car, if a car is going to be reliable, if it's going to have major repairs that, needs to get done after you buy it. Because you don't really know the actual condition unless you do a pre-inspection purchase, which we talked in the previous podcast.
And even then, it's a used car. Like,
Right.
things would happen.
But my thing is, if you're worried about that, make sure that you know the warranties on the car because it might still be active. So I understand it's a big concern, like, hey, I don't want to buy quote unquote lemon. But if you're buying a car, for example, Hyundai, that's got 80,000 miles used, even though it's had, 2-3 owners before, you still have 20 more thousand miles that is still under powertrain warranty. So that's nothing to worry about it. As long as the oil change has been done and the regular maintenance has been done on the car, there's no problem at all. And 20,000 miles, that's more than a year on average of the car that you can drive it, 15, 20,000 miles. So
if you're not doing Uber or anything.
Right. But that's something to keep in mind. People don't realize that there's a lot of used cars out there still under factory warranty. I'm sure that's something the dealer will tell you. We have cars here that are 2016, 15, 17, and they're still under even the basic warranty. So that's a good, on our side, that's a good selling point.
Right.
But on the customer side, that's something that gives them peace of mind. It's great to know for the customer, like, hey, well, I'm trusting the dealer that they're selling me a good car, but I have the manufacturer, as a backup in case if something happens on the car, on the engine, transmission. You know, you can have it checked out after you buy it and double check, and gives you a lot of peace of mind.
And usually those warranty those
Factory warranty.
factory warranties are usually like pretty good. Like they actually do come through.
Yeah.
We had a case with a Hyundai that it was almost 100,000 miles,
90 something, yeah.
and the transmission went out.
Engine.
The engine and the transmission?
No,
or
just the engine.
The engine went out, and we took it to Hyundai, and they took care of it.
They put a brand new engine in.
Yeah. So yeah, it does work.
Yeah. So that's something that we want to tell you guys. If you cannot afford a new car, which we don't recommend buying a new car, that's a different topic. But there are a lot of ways that you can have peace of mind if you're looking to buy a used car. Try to find the car that is still within the years and the miles for at least a powertrain warranty. For example, we have a Jeep Renegade, which the basic warranty is already expired, but it still has like 30 more thousand miles, and I think like 3 more years under the powertrain warranty. So that's a good selling point. There's plenty of cars out there in the market that you're getting a good deal because they're used cars, but you also get that peace of mind knowing that you don't have to worry about the engine, transmission, the drive axle, that it's gonna be a good car. If something happens, take it to the dealership and they're gonna fix it for you.
I would say it's always good to have a warranty. If you do have a dealer warranty, perfect. But if you don't, or even if you do, I would say it's still good to have a warranty. And the reason is there are a lot of good dealers and there are a lot of bad dealers. But sometimes that doesn't even matter because, there are used cars, so things can happen to the car. Even with all of the inspections in the world, things can happen because it's a used car. So, I always recommend to put a warranty, just peace of mind to have it.
The service contracts, they're good. We get a lot of people asking about the service contracts because they're planning on keeping the car for a while. So they just don't want to have a bill down the road that, $2,000 bill or something like that. When a service contract, depending on how long you buy it for, it doesn't run you over $1,000 for 3 years or so.
Good.
In my opinion, it's really good. And it covers a lot of stuff. There's a lot of warranty companies out there. The one we work with is one of the biggest in the U.S. And it's pretty good. Like every time I show my customers what they cover, every single person is like impressed. Like the AC, sensors, everything.
For the difference that it makes on the monthly payments, because it's finance and the difference is not that big. I would rather have it. Yeah.
Or even if they buy cash, because we have one customer, they bought a cash and they purchased an extended warranty. I think it was for like 3 years because it will give the wife peace of mind. She's the one who asked for it, and she like, well, let me see what you have for extended warranties. And they bought it. They seem pretty smart, so they went ahead and did it. So that's what we have for today. Like I said, the basic warranty, which is the bumper to bumper, usually for 30,000 or less miles car with 3 years. You can look it up. It's very easy to look it up. All you have to do is just type on Google the year, make, and model. For example, if you're looking the warranty for a 2015 Jeep Renegade, just type it 2015 Jeep Renegade factory warranty, and it's going to show you what's the terms for the warranty. If you want to know specifically if the warranty is still active, just call the dealer with the VIN number. They'll pull it up in the system. They'll let you know, okay, the basic warranty expired for back in March. But how many miles you have, they'll ask all that. So they'll tell you, and you can confirm whether the warranty is still active or not. The powertrain warranty, if you're looking for a used car, keep that in mind. Like I said, just call the brand dealership and see if the powertrain warranty still active, gives you a lot of peace of mind. Or if you're buying a higher miles vehicle, consider purchasing an extended warranty. They're good. Not that we're trying to sell it to you, but they're really good. They work. They'll cover everything. They'll cover up to the value of the car. So anything happens, you're good there. So if you guys have any question, just send those questions. We'll love to answer everything that you want to ask us about the car buying process, or if you have something at another dealer, let us know. We'll love to answer any question.
Peace out.
See you.